Animals, Episode 82, Secretary Bird. Hello? Who are you? I'm a secretary bird. Secretary birds are mammals. Where do you live? We live in Africa. We like grasslands and forests. What do you eat? Secretary birds eat plants. We also like lizards and birds. Do you live alone? No, secretary birds live in big groups. Sometimes we eat together. Who are your enemies? Frogs like to eat us. Sometimes frogs steal our meals. They also attack us. How do you protect yourself? We also eat roots. But secretary birds don't. We use them to fly. Are you good fast? Yes, secretary birds run very fast. We use our wings to running. There's the frog. It's time for hunt. Goodbye, secretary bird.